In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GitHub link to LinkedIn. By the end, your LinkedIn profile will point directly to your GitHub, making it easier for recruiters and collaborators to explore your work. Start on GitHub in a desktop browser. Look to the top right and click your profile avatar to open the menu, then choose Profile. This takes you to your public GitHub profile page, which is the page you want people to see. Now copy the URL from your browser's address bar. It should look like github.com/your username without extra paths like settings or a specific repository. A quick tip, paste that link into a new private or incognito window to make sure it opens exactly the page you expect and doesn't require you to be signed in. With your GitHub URL ready, switch over to LinkedIn and open your own profile. At the top of your profile header, click the pencil icon to edit your intro section. This opens the profile editor. In that panel, scroll until you see Contact Info and select Edit Contact Info. You'll get a dialog where you can manage websites and other links connected to your profile. Choose Add Website. If LinkedIn provides a drop-down to categorize the link, pick a clear option like Portfolio or Personal Website. If there's an other option that allows a custom label, you can type GitHub. So the purpose is obvious at a glance. Now paste the GitHub profile URL you copied earlier into the website URL field. Make sure it includes HTTPS and that there are no extra spaces. If you accidentally copied a repository link or an internal page, go back and grab the main profile link instead. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should now see your GitHub listed in your contact info. Open your profile as a visitor or use LinkedIn's view as mode. Then click the Contact Info panel to confirm the link is visible and working. It's worth clicking the link once. To test it, opens your public GitHub profile in a new tab. That's the process from start to finish. Open your GitHub profile and copy the correct URL. Edit your LinkedIn profile's contact info. Add a website entry, paste the link, label it clearly, and save. A final tip to make this link count. Keep your GitHub profile polished. Pin a few representative repositories, write a short profile, README that explains what you do, and ensure recent projects have clear documentation. With a clean GitHub and a direct link on LinkedIn, you'll give viewers a smooth path from your professional profile to your code.